Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello, real estate professionals. In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp for real estate agents. Mailchimp is a powerful, all-in-one marketing platform designed to streamline your communication and grow your business. It helps you manage client relationships and market properties effectively, saving you valuable time. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily create professional campaigns, segment your audience, and automate key marketing tasks. This tool is a game changer for nurturing leads and staying top of mind with your clients. Building a robust contact list is fundamental. Mailchimp allows you to effortlessly import your existing contacts from various sources, including many popular CRM systems. You can also design attractive, mobile-friendly sign-up forms to embed on your website, capturing new leads around the clock. The real power lies in segmentation. You can categorize your audience based on criteria like location, property preferences, or how they interact with your emails. This ensures your messages are always relevant to each recipient. Crafting engaging emails is simple with Mailchimp's intuitive drag-and-drop editor and hundreds of professional, pre-designed templates. You can easily customize these with your branding, images, and property listings. Personalization is key. Use merge tags to address clients by name and tailor content to their specific interests. Always include clear calls to action, compelling client testimonials, and valuable market insights to encourage engagement and drive inquiries. Make every email a valuable touchpoint for your audience. Automate your marketing to save time and ensure consistent follow-up. Mailchimp lets you create automated welcome series for new subscribers and lead nurturing sequences that deliver timely information. After sending, dive into detailed analytics and reports to understand open rates, click-throughs, and conversions. This data is invaluable for refining your strategy. Employ a /B testing to experiment with different subject lines or content variations, continuously optimizing your campaigns for maximum engagement and better results in your real estate business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.